Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to RevRender Garage. It is Austin here, and I am at Shane's garage here, and we are working on his blue scooter. We are going to be showing you one of the simplest and cheapest mods you could probably do to any Mad Dog or GY6 powered vehicle.
Definitely one of the coolest mods.
Yeah, this is honestly a mod that we just recently actually came across ourselves, and diving into it, we were expecting it to be a lot more of a hassle, but this is legitimately plug and play out of the box. We couldn't complain, and it was $18.99. I think it was $20.79 to my door. That's it. This is what we're going to be installing today. It is actually an alarm and a remote start for your scooter, and it works perfectly. We've tested it out on a couple scooters now, and it's literally out of the box perfect. So let's show you what comes in the box. This is the first thing that I saw, and why I thought it was going to be a big hassle is because it comes with an extension harness, and this is for if your scooter or go-kart or whatever harness you're trying to put this onto, it doesn't come with the plug we're going to be utilizing. You can still make it work by connecting these wires into
splicing them in.
Yeah, just splicing and soldering these wires into your existing harness, probably into your your gauge. So we do not need this, luckily. This is your alarm, which goes into your main box, and then it comes with two keys. So we get off of here. You got two remote starts, your box, and alarm. So we're gonna deal with the alarm after. You don't need this. This is just for a signal, which we have no use for, and that's it. So you walk over to your scooter, you take your 6 screws out and remove your battery box, and then you come over to here. You will not have any of this stuff. This is for the speakers, but you trace your wires down, you'll have a big jumble of stuff. So this will go to our speedometer and all that, and then you'll come across this. It's a red plug and just has this little jumper harness. So all this effectively does is allows your kill switch to work. So if this was unplugged, you start your bike and you go to hit your kill switch to turn it off, or even your key. You even hit your key to turn it off, your bike will remain running. It won't turn off. This allows your bike to turn off. But this system we're going to use utilizes this plug. You take this off, you bring this, and it says simple, pushing this pin down and pushing in, and that's it. Now I'm going to show you not touching anything. Grab the remote. You have to have this on start. Once that's on start, that's it. That took me, what, a minute? 1 minute. And then if you want, you can put your alarm system on there, give you the nice beeps and sounds, and it works great. You ready to go? That's unlock, lock, and then usually if you start moving the scooter around, or it'll start beeping at you, and it starts hitting the blinkers as well. You just unlock it. And that's as simple as that. If you're out and you want to start messing with somebody, it has a little find me button. Someone's standing next to your scooter and you want to mess with them, it's so loud, you just... That's a neat little trick it comes with. And then in this kit as well, the alarm comes with a nice double-sided sticky tape already on there, and then in the box is another double-sided sticky tape for the unit itself, or they also have screw holes. Just to show you, on our scooter, we mounted the box, put the double-sided sticky tape on the back, and we just mounted it right up in here with the alarm, with the mount going right into the wiring, which works super simple. And you could pretty much find any place on here. You can mount it into the inside of the battery tray, pretty much anywhere. And it's super accessible, super easy. For $20 to your door, can you beat that? It's gonna make all your friends jealous and be like, how did you do that? I need that on my scooter. You just send them our video, hit the link down below, and buy yourself one of these for $20 to your door. I hope you guys enjoyed that quick little install. It's super simple and makes it stand out. If you guys liked what you saw, make sure to give us a like, comment, subscribe, tell all your friends about this, and we'll see you later. RevRender out.